Hello and good morning, everybody. In today's session, we will discuss a couple of problems relating to deduction under Section 80G. As informed earlier, theory part has already been sent to you, and we have discussed a few points regarding what comes under deduction under Section 80G. 80G is mainly deduction for social causes. That means when we do some donations and charity, we get deduction under Section 80G out of total income. So theory part has been sent to you. Hope you have gone through that. So what are the steps or how deduction under Section 80G is done? Okay, let me before I start the process, let me tell you a few rules. Okay, so a few points which you will have to remember while we solve deduction under Section 80G is donation made in kind is not considered for deduction. Donation is to be given only for institutions or associations and not for a particular person. If it is given for a person, it is not qualifying for deduction. Third one, donation given to any political party is deductible under Section 80GGC separately, not under Section 80G. Okay, so donation paid in cash above rupees 2000 does not qualify for deduction. If you pay donation to any party or any institution, even to a particular association, if it is paid in cash above 2000, it does not qualify for deduction. So procedure we have seen again. First, what we will do is there are four types of deduction, basically two. One is with limit and without limit. So without limit deduction and with limit deduction. In with limit and without limit, there are again two: 50% qualifying and 100% qualifying. So basically there are four categories of deduction. First, we will calculate 100% without limit, 50% without limit, then 100% with limit and 50% with limit. So what is that limit? Limit is 10% of adjusted gross total income. So gross total income will be given in the problem, or we know what is gross total income. We have learnt in the previous chapters all the total income. So adjusted gross total income, again theory part has been given to you. So adjusted gross total income, 10% of adjusted gross total income is the limit, right? So we'll have to make a mark. 10% of adjusted gross total income. Gross total income will be given in the problem itself. We'll have to find out 10%. So these are the few points which we'll have to remember. So basically a few things which comes without limit 100%, with limit 100%, without limit 50%, and with limit 50%, we'll have to remember. So there are 25 in case of without limit 100%. Without limit 50%, there are only four which we can remember, that is Prime Minister's Drought Relief Fund, PMDRF, Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund, Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust. This is 50% without limit. Then there are only two in 100% with limit. They are donation to government or any local authority for the purpose of family planning. Remember, for the purpose of family planning is 100% with limit, and any sum paid to any Indian Olympic Association by the central government for development of infrastructure of for sports, etc., is coming under 100% with limit. So family planning and IOA, Indian Olympic Association for development of sports, games, etc. And 50%, there are 4 to 5. Let us see what are those 50%. First one is donation to government or local body for other than family planning. So again we can remember 100% for family planning, 50% for other than family planning. Then donation to any notified temple, mosque, gurudwara, church, again 50% with limit. Donation to notified educational institution, 50% with limit. Donation to a corporation set by government for promoting interest of members of minority community, 50%. And the last one, donation to authority constituted in India under any law enacted for the purpose of dealing and satisfying the needs of housing accommodation for the purpose of family planning, development of cities or improvement of cities, towns and villages, or both. These five: family planning, temples, mosques and church, notified educational institutions, minority communities, and development of specific areas. All are 50% with limit. So 50% with limit, there are 5. 2, that is with limit. 100%, there are only 2, family planning and Indian Olympic Association. 100%, 50% without limit, there are 4, PMDRF, Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund and Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust. So based on this, and the remaining all will come under 100% without limit. Based on this, we will solve a couple of problems. The problem is like this. So focus on the problem. During the previous year 18-19, Mr. Anil has donated 2. So he has made the following donations: Prime Minister's Daughterly Fund, National Fund for Communal Harmony, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial Fund, Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, Government for Family Planning, and Notified Temple, as well as they have given you adjusted gross total income. We'll have to calculate deduction under section 80G and total income. Total income is very simple: adjusted gross total income minus the deduction. Okay, so let us see. As I've told you, we will divide. Okay, first we will divide the given donations or whatever given points into 4: 100% without limit, 50% without limit, 100% with limit, and 100% 50% with limit. So Prime Minister's drought, it is not, yeah, it is drought relief fund. It comes under Prime Minister's Drought Relief Fund, comes under 50% without limit. So mark it as 50% without limit. National Fund for Communal Harmony comes under 100% without limit. Mark it as 100% without limit. Rajiv Gandhi Memorial Fund again comes under 50% without limit. Prime Minister's National Relief Fund comes under 100% without limit. Government for Family Planning comes under with limit. Okay, that is 100% with limit. And Notified Temple comes under with limit 100%. Government for Family Planning and Notified Temple comes under with limit, right? So let us solve. First we will take 100%. So basically there are two things here. One is 100% without limit, 50% without limit. If it is 100% and without limit, all 100% of the amount will qualify for deduction. Though, so you can see the tables here. There are 3 compartments: particulars and 2 amounts compartment. The second amount compartment to your extreme right is the amount of deduction, and to the middle it is 50%. If there are any, for example, you have seen here Prime Minister's National Refund 100%, 12,000 is given. So 12,000 qualifies for deduction, written in the outer column. National Fund for Communal Harmony again 24,000, 24,000 written in outer column. Then comes 50%. There are 2 as we have discussed. Rajiv Gandhi Memorial Fund 10%, Prime Minister's Daughterly Fund 40,000. So these are without limit, but only 50% qualifies for deduction. So 10 plus 40, 50%, half of that is 25,000 written in outer column. Next, with limit donation, what we will do is, with limit, whether it is 50% or 100%, first we will write all, because it is up to a limit, right? So all with limit donations we will write. Here there are only 2: Government for Family Planning, approved charitable institution. So there are 2, total 1 lakh. We will calculate total qualifying limit, right? Whether it is 100% or 50%. With the limit donations we will add. Here it is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is compared with 10% of adjusted gross total income. So adjusted gross total income is given in the problem 15,000. 10% of it is 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 or with limit donation together is 1 lakh. 1,50,000 or 1 lakh is whichever is less, 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is qualifying amount. In that we will deduct 100% with limit, because it is qualifying 100%. So 70,000 is deducted or written separately, and the balance, be careful here, the balance is 30,000, 1 lakh qualifying amount, that is 1 lakh 50 or 1 lakh, whichever is less, 1 lakh. In that 100% is deducted 70,000, remaining is 30,000. 30,000 in a 50%, 30,000 50% is qualifying, because it is 50% qualifying amount and with limit. The limit is 1 lakh. 1 lakh ಅಲ್ಲಿ 70,000 100% ವಿತ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ 30,000, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ rupees 30,000, 50% ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 80G. ಸೊ 30,000 ಇನ 50% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 15,000. ಸೊ 70,000 and 15,000 to be added, written in outer column, make a total 12,000, 24,000, 25,000 and 85,000. Total deduction under section 80G is 1,46,000, right? So 1,46,000 is total deduction. So if we want to calculate total income, it's given gross total income 15 lakh minus deduction under section 80G. Only 80G we have calculated. We will deduct it. 13,54,000 is the answer, right? So very easy, very tricky. Okay, if you understand, it is very easy. So let us again go through another simple problem. Question number 13 it is. So which says the gross total income of Janardhan for assessment year 1920 is 20 lakh. He has made the following donations. What is donations has been given? So National Defence Fund, Karnataka University, District Literacy Committee, National Blood Transfusion Council, PM National Relief Fund, Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust, Government for Family Planning, approved charitable institution. These are the donations made by a particular person. So again, the similar pattern, what we will do is we will divide the each and every donation into 100% without limit, 50% without limit, 100% with limit, 50% with limit. So in 100% without limit, there are a few: National Defence Fund, Karnataka University, District Literacy Committee, National Blood Transfusion Council, Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. All these 5 are 100% without limit, added, written in outer column 1,70,000. There is one Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust which is 50% without limit. So 50,000 is the amount, 50% is 25,000, written in outer column. Now comes the tricky part. With limit donations, there are two: Government for Family Planning, approved charitable institution, where Government for Family Planning is 100% with limit and approved charitable institution is 50% with limit. We will add both, total 2,20,000. Compare it with 10% of adjusted gross total income. Gross total income is 20 lakh. There is no adjustment, that itself is adjusted gross total income. 10% of 20 lakh is 2 lakh, right? So 2 lakh or 2,20,000, whichever is less, is 2 lakh, right? So out of 2 lakh we will deduct 100% with limit donation. 100% with limit donation ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 1 lakh ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? 50%. ಸೊ 1 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೇವೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 100% ವಿತ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್. ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು 1 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? 50% ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ 50% ಆಫ್ 1 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಸ್ 50,000. ಟುಗೆದರ್ ವಿತ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆಗೋದೆಷ್ಟು? 1 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 50,000, 1 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ 50,000. So total 1,70,000 plus 25 plus 1,50,000, 3,45,000. So this is very simple but tricky. ATG 110% one question will be there. Okay, either it will be in 5 marks, as I told you, ATC or ATG, one question will be asked for 5 marks in section B, as well as total income ATG problem will be covered. So this is deduction under section 80G. So go through this problem, solve some more problems, okay, and if you do not understand anything, you can contact me. Thank you, all the best.